Here are some of the things we do for Kiwi and Pixel that keep them happy and healthy. First thing is wheatgrass, also known as kitty grass, which you can buy at the grocery store or at the pet store. Second, because Kiwi has a foot injury, we use these woven perches to make sure that his feet don't get hurt. In addition, we have cuddle bones, which are actually the bones from cuttlefish, which are rich in calcium and other minerals, which help keep them healthy. Other toys, which are meant for shredding, help keep their beaks nice and sharp and keep them happy and busy in their cages. And of course, they love talking to their toys.
Bird playtime